Welcome to 360 VR video, where every frame is an invitation to explore. In this 180 degrees immersive experience, you'll meet fascinating people, discover breathtaking places, and embark on an unforgettable adventure, all from the comfort of your screen. So, relax and let yourself be transported into a world like no other. Stay with me and enjoy the journey. Welcome, my friend. This time, I find myself walking along one of Barcelona's most beautiful beaches, Playa Mar Bella. Just moments ago, I arrived here from the bustling streets of downtown Barcelona. You know, there's something magical about leaving behind the city noise and stepping into this slice of paradise. As we walk together, take a moment to look around. Over there, under those colorful umbrellas, you can see groups of friends laughing, families building sandcastles, and couples enjoying quiet conversations. And yes, further down the beach, some people are embracing freedom by going topless. It's part of what makes these beaches so unique. Shall we explore it together? Today, our theme is topless beaches. Now, if you're new to this idea, don't worry. I'll guide you through everything. Whether you're curious, intrigued, or even hesitant, let me share with you the ins and outs of why some people choose to embrace this lifestyle. Who knows? By the end of our walk, you might feel inspired to try it yourself, or at least understand it better. Barcelona has long been known for its stunning coastline and relaxed way of life. Among its many attractions are its topless-friendly beaches, where visitors can enjoy an experience that feels both liberating and natural. But before you dive in, literally or figuratively, there are a few things to keep in mind. Let's start with the basics. One is choosing the right spot. To begin, all beaches in Barcelona are topless-friendly. Playa de la Barceloneta, for example, is more traditional, while places like Marbella cater specifically to those who prefer a clothing-optional environment. If you're looking for a laid-back vibe without judgment, Marbella is your best bet. Trust me, once you step onto the sand, you'll immediately notice how welcoming and open-minded everyone is. Another is always respecting privacy and comfort. One of the golden rules here is respect for yourself and others. When visiting a topless beach, remember that privacy matters. Avoid staring or making comments about anyone's appearance. Everyone comes here seeking relaxation and connection with nature, not unwanted attention. So, whether you decide to go topless or stay covered up, just be mindful of the people around you. And speaking of being mindful, let's talk practical tip. First up, sunscreen. Without clothes covering certain areas, it's easy to forget spots like your shoulders, back, or chest. Apply generously and reapply often to avoid painful burns. Your skin will thank you later. Another pro tip, bring a towel or mat to sit on. Not only does it make lounging more comfortable, but it also keeps your skin off the hot sand and protects you from any dirt or debris. Plus, having a towel handy gives you the option to cover up whenever you want. A little extra peace of mind never hurts. Now, let's get to the good stuff. The pros and cons of spending a day at a topless beach. The advantages of topless beaches are the freedom and connection with nature. There's no denying the sense of liberation you feel when you shed societal expectations and simply exist as you are. There's a raw beauty in feeling the sun on your skin, the breeze brushing past you, and the ocean calling your name. For many, this kind of experience fosters a deeper connection with nature and themselves. Another, the tolerant and respectful atmosphere at the crowd at topless beaches tends to be incredibly accepting. People come here because they value individuality and personal freedom. Judgment? Rarely found. Instead, you'll discover a community built on mutual respect and understanding. It's refreshing, isn't it? This is a unique experience. Let's face it, how often do you get to break free from everyday norms and truly live in the moment? Going topless offers a chance to step outside your comfort zone and embrace something different. It's adventurous, authentic, and unforgettable. At the other way, the disadvantages of topless beaches. One is the exposure and lack of privacy. Of course, every coin has two sides. One downside is the exposure. Being topless in public means opening yourself up to scrutiny, or at least the perception of it. Some folks might feel self-conscious knowing they're visible to strangers. If that's you, no worries. You can still enjoy the beach fully clothed. Remember, it's all about doing what feels right for you. Another probably is the weather challenges. Unlike conventional beaches, topless spots often lack amenities like umbrellas or lounge chairs. On scorching days, finding shade can be tricky. Similarly, strong winds or sudden rain showers could dampen your plans, literally. Always check the weather forecast before heading out. For the people with limited social acceptance, while topless beaches are legal and widely accepted in Barcelona, not everyone shares the same enthusiasm. Traditionalists may disapprove, leading to occasional tension between beachgoers. However, the key takeaway is this: as long as you respect others' choices, you have every right to enjoy the beach however you please. So, what do you think? Does the idea of a topless beach appeal to you? Or would you rather stick to the classic swimsuit route? Either way, Barcelona's beaches offer something for everyone. Take your time exploring, soaking up the sun, and letting the rhythm of the waves wash away your worries. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for joining me on this virtual stroll. If you enjoyed this journey, why not visit Barcelona someday? Feel the sand beneath your feet, listen to the ocean's song, and maybe even give topless lounging a try. After all, life is about experiences, and this is one you won't soon forget. Until next time, take care, and keep exploring the world, one step at a time.